let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go. Oh, hey, sorry. I didn't realize you were recording me. It's Senor Z, and I have good news for you today. But before I give you the good news, I want to sing you an awesome song. Are you ready? It goes like this. Happy quarantine to you. Happy quarantine to you. Happy quarantine, dear ADS students. Happy quarantine to you because we might be in quarantine. And maybe it's not the happiest times of our lives. But the American Dream School, we are going to give you a gift that you can enjoy in quarantine. I promise you. You can get 2 books, 1 game, or 1 arts and crafts set. All you have to do is fill out this simple form and watch the instructions. Again, pay attention to the instructions, because if you don't, I'm not going to feel bad when you don't understand how to fill out the form. Okay, so step 1, watch my face shrink first. Woo! That was cool. Okay, so check this out. To get your free gift, Daniel. Yep, that's my name. Zouderer. I'm in grade 6. Duh, the best grade ever. What gift would I like? Well, I want 2 books. Notice, 2 books, 1 game, or 1 arts and crafts product. That's right, you can buy 2 books, and we'll give you both. So, for those of you who thought maybe you wanted a game, or maybe you wanted an arts and crafts product, think again. Because you can get 2 books, and only one of those other things. 2 is better than 1. That's simple math. 2 greater than 1. Think about it. Okay, so let's choose 2 books and click next. Watch this. Step 1, visit this link. We're going to click on the link. Again, we're going to click on the link. Right? And now you have all of these books that you can look through, right? But if there's a book that you know that you want, there's this search bar here too. Don't be scared of the search bar. The search bar loves you. Type this in, smile. And there we go. That's too expensive though, because it can only be $20. So that's not specific enough. So I go smile, Raina Telgemeier. Okay, well maybe they don't have smile. Ooh, that one's so close. Ghosts, Share Your Smile, Smile and Sisters, the box set. That looks like an awesome one, right? So then I need to click on whatever one I want. Again, I need to click on whatever I want. So let's say I want Ghosts. Click on paperback, not Kindle. You don't own a Kindle. Click on paperback, right? That's only $5. Check this out. See this link on top? You need to double click the link, go to edit on the top of your screen and copy, right? Paste. You can edit, paste, right? What is the name of the book? Ghosts. What is the price of the book? Remember, it must cost under $20 or we will not buy it for you. Listen to instructions. Okay, Ghosts, $5.59. But then guess what? It says we will pay for up to $20 of books. And if there's enough money left over for another book, please copy and paste the link for another book here. That's so cool. That means I can get another book. Let's see, graphic novels. Oh my God, The Hobbit. That sounds amazing. I'm going to click on it. See, I need to click on it, right? Because it asked me to copy and paste the link. So if I don't click on the actual book that I want, it will not work. Click on it. Remember to click on it. Okay, good. Then double click, right? Edit on the top of your screen, copy, edit on the top of your screen, paste, name of the book was The Hobbit. The price of the book was $12.89. So remember, I can only spend $20 total. This is where we need to use some math. Oh no, I'm not good at math. But I have a growth mindset, so it's okay. $12.89 plus $5.59. I'm going to use my fingers. I'm going to round up 12 to 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Is that under 20 bucks? Yes, it is. I just got two books, 90 poo poo. And then I click next. Then it asks for my street address. We need to make sure that we send this to the right place. 521 East 138th Street. Apartment number or floor number, 3rd floor. Zip code 10454. If you don't know, ask your parents. We need this information. Do you get it? All right. I'm pretty sure I just explained this really well. Like, really well. So, I just made myself big again. Because I'm a Lucky Charm at ADS. Oh, Lucky Charm, don't steal my Lucky Charms. Don't just steal them. Instead of stealing my Lucky Charms, what you should do is get 2 books. Of course, you can also get a game or an arts and crafts product. So let me just show you that real quickly. Again, I know this is a really long video, and it's probably really annoying, but you need to understand how to do this so you can get your free book. We're giving you free stuff, so you have to deal with this video. Okay, so let's say we don't want books. I don't know who wouldn't want a book, but let's just say you don't want books. Fine. We can click on one educational game and click next. We're going to visit this link. Now, one thing we could do is scroll all the way down, right? And make sure that we look at all of the different cool games. There are so many to choose from. There is no reason why you have to choose the first one. Go to the next page, right? Or if there's a specific game that you want, let's see, Monopoly. Oh no, these are all over 20 bucks. Oh, here we go. That definite, oh my God. Monopoly Fortnite Edition? Seriously? Who wouldn't want Monopoly Fortnite? That sounds amazing. How much is it? $15.84. That means it's under 20 bucks. That means that I can get it. 90 poo poo. So I'm going to click on it. Right? Again, I need to click on the item. If that's one thing you remember, please remember it. You got to click on the item. Otherwise, you're not going to get the right link. Again, you need to actually click into the item. And then you need to click on the link. You need to copy it. And then you need to paste it. It needs to look like this, https://www. Again, it always will look like this, https://www. Name of the game, Monopoly Fortnite. How much does the game cost? I don't remember, but I can look. $15.84. Oh, that sounds like a good price, doesn't it? Next. Right, and then put in the same street information. Get it? So you can use that search bar. The search bar is your friend. If you want a book, you can get 2 books as long as both books are under $20. So please get a book. Or you can get a game or an arts and crafts thing. It's true. It's just that then you can only get one. And wouldn't you rather have 2 books than one game or arts and crafts thing? I mean, I know it's up to you, and I know that arts are cool and games are cool too. But I'm an ELA teacher. So I'm going to have a bias towards books. Anyway, think about getting a book. And if you already chose a game because we didn't offer 2 books before, you can redo it. I am giving you permission to redo it and choose 2 books instead of 1 game. But if you want a game or an arts and crafts thing, that's fine. All right, I'm going to make my face really big one more time. This was a 10-minute video. Oh my God. But it's a video that will make you understand how to get your free gift. Some baling, baling. I know you want some baling, baling. And now you have it. That's right, people. Now you have your baling, baling to have fun in quarantine. All right, so that's it. I hope that this video was crazy enough because I am trying to become a professional YouTube star. Love you all. Don't eat my Lucky Charms. Instead, get yourself a free gift. Hopefully, Senor Jimenez fast forwarded some of this because this video is way too long. All right, bye for now.